Hello YouTube. This is a comment slash review of McQueen pipes. Got here my Halfling pipe, and in it is Sutliff's Top Shelf, and in my hand is some Sweet Mead Shimamoto brand. He always makes great stuff, Shimamoto's. So try their stuff if you ever get to see it in a store. But not that long ago, my Halfling pipe, the stem started to split right where the wood pieces come together. So I was thinking about maybe trying to fix it myself or something along that line. And when it occurred to me that no, I should get in touch with McQueen and see if they have some sort of repair or return policy or something. Now mind you, the pipe's over 2 years old, so I figure I wouldn't get a whole lot with it. And McQueen tends to be very slow in responding or doing anything. So within a week's time, I get a response back via email. I'm stunned. And he says, send a photo of the damage, $10, and he'll send a new stem for the Halfling. Well, I figured I got plenty of pipes in my rotation, and the Halfling is in my rotation. I can do it without for a while. So I sent the entire pipe over. The stem so you can actually see what was wrong with it, and the bowl, because they are detachable, the bowl to make sure that the new stem fit nice and firm and perfect. I figured I'm not going to see this for months. I ordered one of the Wizards pipe one time. Fantastic pipe. It took 6 months to 9 months to get it. The Halfling, almost as long. Well, with that in mind, I figured this is going to be a long wait. Not a big deal. Plenty of other pipes in my rotation. Everything's great. Just eventually, hopefully, I'll get some word or the pipe will come back with a brand new stem. It doesn't. In about a month's time, so about 4 weeks, so it'd be like 2 weeks out and then 2 weeks back, he sends me a new Halfling pipe. And here we go. Now, I had a love-hate relationship with the first one. The first one had a nice tan stem and a much more acorn-shaped bowl to it. And that I really liked. It felt great in the hand and everything else. Shallow bowl, though. The drilling was straight down, so it gave a great smoke when it gave a great smoke. Either it gave a great smoke or it gave a lousy smoke. One of the two. It was hard to tell when it was going to. So like I said, I had a love-hate for this particular pipe. So when he sent me this one, so soon, so quickly, and for $10, I was not quite sure how to handle it. Like I said, had an attachment to the last one. Turns out, it was not quite the way I like, as in compared to the other Halfling pipe. This one smokes better, and does a better job. So there you go. McQueen pipes. Instead of just simply half-ass sending me a new stem, send me a whole brand new pipe to replace a broken stem. So there you go. And quickly, for once. Until next time, keep on smoking.